You now land on the platform workplace where you'll find different functions you need for your fashion sourcing journey, from which you can start off with your request for a quotation. Begin by click the RFQ button in the left navigation bar. To create a new request for quotation, hit the new RFQ button at the top right. Once the info form pops up, pour in all the details of your fashion item, from the product name and SKUs to material, quantity, and any other special requests. Send us a picture of your product's best side on the right. If you can also show us the technical details and the fabric choice, we would be really happy to make improvements and get things just right. Once everything is in order, hit Submit Request. Now, you can return to the RFQ function to review and track the status of all submitted RFQs. Once the purple light is on for your requested items, the quotation will be informed within 48 hours, giving you the power to choose wisely and move to the next stage of sample making. Now hit Approve Quotation and create a sample order. Welcome to your sample order section. Let's fill in the detail and hit the checkout button. Make sure all the details are correct and paid. Congratulations, you've successfully placed a sample order. Now you just need to track it. After Inflow, get back to you with a tech pack. Approve the raw material we have sourced for you, and track the making process. The sample design is ready to be submitted. We're almost there. After you have received your sample, hit Sample Received. And you're done. The next step is to place a bulk order, which will be instructed more clearly in the next video. Get started on your fashion journey with Inflow today. Visit joininflow.io and take the first step towards fashion success.